Here we are at Conklin Farm in Montville. We came to do a little pumpkin picking. Look at the mums. Here's all the wheelbarrows. Lucas is getting a wheelbarrow for us to put all of our goodies in and our pumpkins. Is that a good one, Lucas? We could not have asked for a more perfect day. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at these beautiful mums. They're so big, so pretty. Here's the yellow, white. Oh, here's the two-tone burgundy and yellow.
And
look how pretty these are.
These are good.
Oh, look how big that is.
Look at this
Beautiful. So pretty. Look at these pretty mums. These are like that burnt orange color. Very beautiful. These are medium. The other ones were large. These are the medium mums.
Giants. It's the Giants one.
We're inside the tent. Oh, look at all the painted pumpkins up there. Lucas wants to get a painted pumpkin.
I'm getting the Giants.
Look at all the gourds. Oh, he thinks he wants to get a Giants, a one that's painted with the Giants. I told him to look because there's a lot of them.
Can we get the Giants?
What,
Can we pick
Lucas?
it off?
Sure, just a minute. Let's look first. Oh, look at all these gourds. Large gourds.
Get them.
Please do not put the painted pumpkins in the wheelbarrow. They get scratched. That's what the sign says. There's the Jets up there. Oh, look, and there's the Giants, Yankees. There's the girl. She's putting, oh, look at these. These are Jack B. Little pumpkins. Look how tiny they are. Wow, let's see what's down here. Ooh. Okay, oh, look at these. All these gourds. Look at that one. It says, oh my gourd. So many of them.
Can we get the tiny Giants one?
You want that little baby one? You're kidding. Oh, he wants a little tiny one. That out of all the pumpkins, Lucas wants this one. Let me get it down. Here's all the apples. That's a cute pumpkin up there. It says cheers on it and be thankful. Look at all the apples.
Get like a little saying to go with the little mat.
Fresh baked pies. I think I might have to take home one of those yummy pumpkin ones. Look at all these pies. Apple crumb pie, pumpkin pies. Ooh, I love pumpkin pies. I might have to take one of those home. So many people are walking around, picking out their favorite pumpkins.
They're right there now.
Gonna go over there later. There's little farm animals. We can go back in here in the fields with our wheelbarrow. And there's the corn over there. Beautiful day. Look at all the I call them bumpy pumpkins. Ooh, look at them. I think my shadow is in the video. I see myself. There's all the bumpy pumpkins. Look at them.
$3.
Look at this old truck. Lucas is investigating it. It says Conklin Farms. It's an oldie but a goodie. I don't think you can get up there, Lucas. Lucas is investigating.
There's a pirate booty wrapper.
There is?
Yeah, come look.
Let me come see. Checking out the farm animals now. Oh, there's the goats over there. Looks like they're eating their lunch. Let me go over there and check them out. There's the goats. Looks like they're all done with lunch. Look at the chickens. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Oh, where's the rooster, Lucas?
The rooster. Apple cider donut.
Look at when you look at them from the back, Lucas. How fluffy they are. They look like, oh, he's coming over for food. Watch out, Lucas. They see Lucas eating. They're coming over to get some food. There's Lucas trying to drive that old tractor. And he's carrying his little mini cider donuts. Can you get it to go, Lucas? Look at that thing. Look at the size of that wheel. Woo! That wheel's bigger than you, Lucas.
No, it's not.
Oh, yes. Well, maybe you're a little bit bigger. There goes the haunted hayride. Lucas wanted to go on it, but he changed his mind. I don't know why. There it goes with no Lucas. Lucas went up. Here he comes.
Right to your end. Can I go to the end?
And then come back. Lucas is in the toddler millet maze. He wanted to try it out. He said, can I go to the end and then come back? I'm like, all right. It's Columbus Day and his parents are working, so Grandma took him to Conklin Farms. We came last year too. Where is he? It's taken a while to come out of that maze. I hope he didn't get lost. Here he comes. How was it?
Not that fun. I ran to the end.
Oh look, there's a little Ziva pumpkin with the eyelashes. How cute! Look. Isn't that cute?